Welcome YouTubers, today we got us a new video for 4th of July. Okay, so what we're going to make is kind of like a shortcut recipe. Might make a little mini part for that. We're not going to 100% make all this stuff, but it's something when you randomly get invited to something for 4th of July, like, oh no, what am I going to bring? Bring dessert, everyone likes dessert. You can have multiple desserts, not like you have multiple entrees. We're like, oh, I brought ham and you got ham and now everyone has ham. No, okay? It's the green bean casserole of desserts. It's pie. Everybody likes pie, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to get some of our frozen fresh, super fresh blueberries, 4 cups, half a cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of flour, all-purpose, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I thought that was pepper for a minute. Just to give like a little bit of taste, not like a whole lot. See, and a little bit of butter, because you can't have enough butter. And we're going to use Pillsbury pie crust. It's just super easy this way. I have a weird way of how I make pie. I don't know. I know some people don't do it that way, but I put the pie crust in the bottom, stab it, blueberries, and I wait to put the top on to the last second part because I don't want to burn the top. Okay, let's get cooking. Got preheated at 425. First thing we're going to do is get our blueberries. Oh, it smells good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Put that to the side. Okay. Sugar. Flour. What is that? Half teaspoon? Okay. There we go. Just put it kind of evenly throughout. Okay. And we're going to evenly distribute the lemon juice. I forget the scientific reason to add lemon juice. I think it's something like does something to it, the texture, or it keeps it from burning. Doesn't make it too cooked while it's cooking. Let's see. I cannot remember to save my life what the science reason is. I know a taste reason. It's nice to have a little taste, a little zing of lemon, a little zest. Almost got it. Oh, got a little offside. Okay, just gonna evenly do it. And this is our only wet element. See, the butter's gonna go on. Don't spill. Butter's gonna be last, or one of the last, near the end. So we're just gonna mix this up. Oops. Okay, YouTubers, sorry about that. My camera disconnected, but it's okay. All you missed was me just going stir, stir, stir. Okay, so now we kind of got it ready. You know, got a little bit of loose sugar, but that's okay. All you missed was me just doing this. I wanted to show you every single step, so I'm just going to be like, there we go. Basically all you missed. I just need a fork. Don't look at my dishes. Okay. Just go like stab, 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 stabs. Not like stab. Just enough to see it, but not to go through it. This is just to let air come through. I'm sorry if you keep seeing me look this way. I'm just trying to make sure the camera stays recording. It's like, stay with me, camera. You can get through this. A lot of my past films just been like ones I kind of did a bunch at once. It's my first one doing like an actual one in a while, so a little rusty with the camera. I'm sorry. Okay, my weird thing. Parchment paper, not wax paper. Don't want to start a fire. And what we're going to do is just kind of use as a barrier. We don't want to actually start like cooking with it. We don't want to fuse together. We don't want to get soggy bottoms, as they say in Great British Bake Off. Okay. Just kind of even it out. Still not using the butter yet. Okay. This is just so when it sweats, it's being contained and cooking its own juices instead of leaking down into the pie crust. And then it's like the pie crust is getting wet, your thingy is getting dry, it's the wrong elements in the wrong places. I'm just going to tear all this excess off. Okay, better. Can you see? Yeah, you can see it. You can see. Okay, 15 minutes. We'll take a peek. Okay, probably 20 minutes. I have a small oven. It cooks kind of faster. So for y'all 20, me 15. Depends. If you got a small oven too, we're in the same boat. 15 minutes. Be back. I'll be back. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do, oops, hot. There we go, looking beautiful. There we go, 1 glove is enough. Okay. So, what we're going to do is just try to carefully take the parchment out. Go. See, it's still a little juicy. The sugar's going to help. The more it cooks, solidify it. There we go. Just going to take my stab fork and just go like this. Okay. This is where the butter comes in. 2 tablespoons. I know I have a measuring spoon, but I like using an actual tablespoon when it comes to butter. I want to evenly just kind of like take it and just kind of like that. Oops. This will have that taste of butter. And 2. Just spread it evenly throughout. Yeah, my buttery. Okay. I swear, I clean after I do these. Okay. Pie crust on top. Here comes the fun part. We're going to cut holes for it to breathe. Because one way or another, it's going to. It's just how you control it. We're going to do 4 big lines like a compass. And then we're going to do slightly smaller stabs. Here. It's just to release steam. Otherwise it's just going to be a mess. And I don't know about y'all, but do y'all ever have worry about the edges cooking because this is a lot thinner than this? Okay, you just wrap it. Oh, it's hot. That's still hot. That is still hot. And just cover the edges. I know they sell little pie thingy cover thingies, but we don't have those. Well. Okay. Stay. Okay, so you want to look like that. 15 minutes, we're going to let it cook like this. The last 5 minutes, we'll take it off. It does not take long for the edges to cook. And everyone's oven's different, so you might have to add more time as to when you do it. But you always can cook more. You can't uncook. So, we're back in 15 minutes. Okay, YouTubers. I don't know why my cameras are being weird. Okay, so all I'm doing is just taking off this so the edges can cook. So I'll be back in a minute when it's done. I'm gonna give it about 5-10 more minutes. See you then. It's done! Okay, the liquidy parts are going to form once it cools. That's why you don't cut into a hot pie. No! I just want to do a shout out and thanks to my grandma for the recipe, and thanks to Aunt Rose for the blueberries. It's really fun, y'all. I have tasted it. It does taste delicious. Thanks for watching and subscribe.